Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I'm going to be diving into is we're going to be discussing the Futura SV Dunk Low, basically diving into some of the up-close details. I already did an in-depth video on these about a month ago, so you guys can go check that out on the channel if you want to, if you just kind of want something discussing how these look, some of the other details on them, because we're just going to be discussing, some of the up-close details, but also the resale prices on these, my prediction, where I see them landing since the prices are dropping right now, since we're heading into May. May is going to be the month when they're dropping, so hopefully that makes sense. But if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 200 likes on the channel. Just lets me know you guys want more videos like this, and that's helpful to me. And yeah, just because it lets me know what type of videos I should make more of. And you can also check out my Instagram down below. I'm always buying, selling, trading on my store if y'all need the classic green SBs. I got some Futuras on the way too, so just stay tuned. And yeah, you can check out my story there, and also the giveaway I'm running. Just go to my pinned reel, enter that, don't miss out for a free pair of military blues. Don't miss your chance. There's no restrictions or anything specific you have to do for the giveaway. Just like the post, tag 2 friends. That's it. And you can share it on your story for an extra entry. But that's it. I hope y'all will enjoy. And why don't we get into the Futura SBs? So first things first, I want to mention about this SB Dunk Low. So a lot of unique details. Main thing also that we got going around the sneakers, that this is the canvas material. It's around the whole entire sneaker. It's pretty much the main theme. This is a suede material, but it's canvas around the whole entire shoe pretty much. That is the main thing we got going on. There's a Futura logo right there as well. That's something that we see pretty commonly. Also have this signature right there. That is also on the soles. There we go. I'll show you all that right there. So just a couple details I can show you guys about these right off the bat. Really nice kind of canvas SB Dunk Low. I know a lot of people don't like canvas, but these are actually pretty nice. So aside from that, there is also the tongue tag, so I can show you guys that as well. The insoles on them, another little small detail. Got a lot going on there. You can see we got the FUTURA Laboratories logo, Nike SB logo. We got a signature. Then we got a another style of the FUTURA Laboratories logo. So there's just a lot on these shoes. And aside from that, also I want to show you all. There we go. The tongue tag. Same on both the sneakers, so you guys can see that. Also kind of that, well, this isn't a canvas material on the tongue tag, but you guys can see right there. Around the toe box, that is definitely canvas, and same with everything we got pretty much going around the sneaker. It is a canvas SB Dunk Low. So aside from that, just a really unique SB. I mean, these are killer in hand. That's one of the main things I can say. It's just my personal size, 9.5. Probably just going to keep them for the collection, because why not? I mean, I have everything with them. So it's one of those pairs that, you really can't be upset about, getting, especially if you hit it for retail. I mean, the amount of money behind these right now, backdoor is currently going between $750 to $1,000. So there is a lot of money behind this particular pair right here, because it's very limited. It's going to be around 40,000 pairs globally. That's what I've heard. Makes sense, because about the amount of pairs with the amount of pairs I've seen on the backdoor, prices currently on StockX, seems like it'll be about that range, because it's similar to the born and raised SV Dunk Low, in my opinion, in terms of the hype. It'll be comparable to that. Obviously, they don't look the same. The materials are much different, but I'm saying in terms of SB we can compare it to from last year. I would say Jaritos or born and raised in terms of the hype. Very, very similar. So aside from that, might be even a little bit more though, because I mean this is a standout SB from this year. We haven't seen a lot other than their skateboards SB Dunk Low collaboration that's coming later this year. Their skateboards, the brand, they're going to be doing an SB collaboration. Maybe y'all have seen that. You can check my story. I got some of those as well on the way. I'm going to be doing a video review for those in the next couple weeks. But aside from that, these are really the only SB that's up there at that high level of okay, these are nice. These are going to go for some big money. This is the only one from this year, so it's kind of a standout collaboration, if that makes sense. But also just got regular box, nothing out of the ordinary, just regular cream box. So hopefully y'all can see that right there. Nothing really too much. There's not a lot in the box. I can't show y'all anything unique there. I'm sure there will be some special box pairs that come around, but we haven't seen that yet. There is an F&F pair. We've seen that, but those are going for some crazy money. But aside from that, just a really, really nice SB Dunk Low. Definitely probably one of the best ones from this year. Also got the split laces right there. Just that's sick. I mean, you can't go wrong with split laces. That's I'm a huge fan of that. Normally I'd be like that something they shouldn't do, but on these it works out. So aside from that, one of the better SB Dunk Lows from this year. Going to be very limited. Will hit skate shops, but how many? I don't know. And will they actually drop them, raffle them off to people? Probably not. You see the amount of money behind these? These are going straight through the back door of most shops. But do I blame them? No. I understand. I'm a player. I play the game. I get it. So aside from that, they should let me in. You know what I'm saying? They should let me in on the back door. You know what I mean? I'm ready. You know what I mean? Just, hey, hit me up. But aside from that, you know, I'm always trying to work on my connections. But yeah, you know, hey, I'm mainly just making jokes here. I'm not for real, right? Nobody backdoors in 2024. But yeah, aside from that, that's really what I can mention about the Futura SBs. I mean, you also got the I don't know what to call this. Like, you got some like threads there going across the sneaker. Very, very interesting. I don't think that was focused. I think it focused on my face there. But yeah, maybe you guys can see that right there. Very, very interesting. So overall, really nice SB Dunk Low. Just glad I got my personal size. I will probably end up putting these on because I'll probably take a L on release day. And yeah, this will be my pair. So that's basically what I'm trying to get at. But aside from that, why don't we dive into the resale prices? Because, you know, these are going to be kind of varying right now. Oh, Military Blue EA is going to be dropping in a few minutes. Okay. Oh, it was at 12 p.m. I predicted the time yesterday. That's pretty sick. So aside from that, here are the current resale prices on the Futura SB Dunk Low. Really at a range of about $700 to, you can see some of the bigger sizes are going for a bit more, 850-ish. So like 700 to 850, that's our range right now. Now, personally, I still do see these coming down, maybe $100 or so. So I think realistically, the range we would see on these is probably about $500 to $700. And I will put a plus because I think some of the bigger sizes like 11.5, 12, 13, 14, those ones will stay up closer to $1,000, maybe even go back up towards those prices because a lot of people are going to take L's on release day. Sneakers is not going to have enough. Skate shops won't have enough, and that'll be the simple reality of this collaboration. So I see the prices definitely going down in the next couple weeks before the main release, probably at about 500, 700. I think honestly the best time to buy a pair, it will kind of be similar to the Jarritos or Born and Raised, will be a couple days before the drop. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I got my pair now, but I'm definitely going to be looking to buy another few like a couple days before because I think a lot of people will take L's when they drop it on the, you know, Futura Lab site and you know, maybe on sneakers, or maybe it won't even hit sneakers, and then yeah, then prices are definitely going up. So that's what I can mention about the Futura Labs. My resale prediction, I'm seeing these floating around a range of $500 to $700. Smaller sizes going for a little bit less, and ones like size 9, 10, those would be the ones kind of in that mid-range, and then 11 plus, I see those ones going for the most because there won't be enough of those. It's a simple reality of big sizes in SB Dunk Lows. Go look at, you know, most. The big sizes ended up being the ones that are valued higher. So on apps at least. But aside from that, that's what I can mention. Again, after release day, I do see prices going back up just because, you know, I think there will be a lot of L's, mainly in the big sizes. So that's a little prediction right there. But I just want to know what you guys are thinking of this SB collab, man. I mean, this is a sick pair. I mean, this is I'm definitely one of the better SB Dunk Lows. I mean, I'm a huge fan of, you know, kind of like this blue. It reminds me of like the ocean, like the beach, you know, when you're on like an island or something. I don't know. Like that's what it reminds me of. So like, you know, great summer collaboration. That's what I will point out. So I will probably be towing these. So Mr. Futura, if you're watching this, send me another so I can, you know, tow it. I'm kidding. I'll, you know, tow these anyways. These are just sick. You know what I mean? Like it's going to be hard to get your hands on these, but what a dope pair. Like Nike, Futura, great collaboration. You did a good job in your original Dunk highs, you know, the Flam highs. So seeing something like this, oh yeah, this is nice. So I can't remember who told me that nickname for the Dunk highs because I always just called them the Futura highs. But whoever's like, oh yeah, the Flam highs, I was like, that's a good nickname. Shout out to whoever told me that. I can't remember your name, but my apologies. Aside from that, that's what I can mention about this collaboration. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this SB Dunk Low. You're going to be copping? You're going to be dropping? Are you rocking with the resale prices? Are you not? I can understand if you're not rocking with it, right? Because, you know, paying those prices is, you know, pretty crazy. But if you know you're a big collector, then I totally understand just being like, you know what? There are not going to be many of them. This is where they're going to be at. I need my pair. That kind of was where I was at on these. I was like, you know what? I need a pair of these. These are sick. And yeah, it's going to be a cool one to have in the collection because in a couple years, it'll be 1,000 plus easily. So, because there will definitely be none of them then. So, yeah, check out my Instagrams, any of that down below if you guys want to enter for the Military Blue giveaway. Don't miss out on that. I'm always buying, selling, trading there in my story too, so don't miss out there. And you guys can subscribe and like for more content like this. Trying to 200 likes on this video and let me know your thoughts on the Futura SB Dunk Low. Again, what a great collaboration for 2024. I really don't think there's much that can really compete with this year. I mean, at least that we've seen. Maybe the There Skateboards SB collab, but I still think these are, you know, pretty high above that. So competition for this year SB Dunk Lows, I don't think there's any. So this is probably the best one. So if you need to know which pair will be the safest hold, even though it's going to be a high in price, which pair will be the safest bet over time to go up, It's right here, brother. It's in my hand right here. It's this one. So that is everything I need to say. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and I will catch you on the next video coming very soon tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.